Ready to cook up a mouth-watering chicken katsu ramen in no time? Let's dive in. First, cook your ramen noodles. Boil them for 3 to 4 minutes and they're done. Meanwhile, grab a chicken breast, coat it in panko breadcrumbs, and fry in veggie oil for 4 to 5 minutes until it's golden and crispy. Next, let's make that tasty broth. Combine 2 cups of chicken broth, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and sake if you have it. Bring it to a boil. Now, time to assemble. Place the cooked noodles in a bowl, pour over the hot broth, and top with your crispy chicken katsu. Add green onions, bean sprouts, and sesame seeds for that finishing touch. Want to save even more time? Use pre-cooked chicken or store-bought katsu. Prep the broth while the noodles cook. And don't forget, experiment with toppings like boiled egg or pickled ginger. There you have it. Quick, easy, and super yummy chicken katsu ramen. Enjoy your meal.